Hi, my name is Joel Mulpeter and we're here on the Crestron booth at InfoComm 2026 and I wanted to talk through the Collab Compute. It's our brand new solution for hybrid meetings. The Collab Compute is really purpose designed for AV installations. So it has all the I/O and ports we need to support deploying Teams rooms and Zoom rooms in those spaces. We start with multi-display output. We have multiple USB ports for peripherals. We have multiple network ports, and then we have all the ways to get content into it as well, both over DM Essentials and also a direct HDMI. We purpose-built the Collab Compute to also be installed. It has this neat bracket that works with it that slides in, allowing you to install it cleanly and neatly. It has cable guards on the side as well that help you to retain the cables, both if people bump them under the table, but also keep installations nice and neat as well. And then the Collab Compute is based around AI workloads. It does have NPUs on board. We built this with Intel Core Ultra 5 and Core Ultra 7 processors that mean we can support AI workloads in the future that come to any of these environments. The Collab Compute is our brand new solution for those hybrid meetings. If you want to learn more about it, head to www.crestron.com.